All right, what's up, guys? So today I'm with Chris. I'm filming on my phone. I've never done this before. We're gonna get his mid muffler delete, maybe more. But Chris, could you rev it real quick? We're gonna do like a little before clip. Oh, that's warm start. All right, so there's a little before clip. I'll cut that out as well to make a little comparison at the end, but stay tuned, all right? So they have the resonator off. That's what that looks like. There's the other one. Still have the back mufflers. All right, so the car is complete. They're lowering it. About to give you guys a new start. Well, that's warm start. All right, so we just finished. I think Christopher is happy with this purchase.
Oh yeah.
We'll give you all a few sound clips on the road, but it definitely is a big difference. All right, well, that's the end of the video. There's not much else to show. Yeah, as you can see, it's a very big difference. I would say it's definitely the first mod you should do on your 5.7. But yeah, it's gonna wrap it up. So if you did like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.